28, 29, 30, nangyari ang first ever Babyverse concert nyo. Can you just imagine, di ba? And now, tingnan nyo lahat ng mga blooms natin na nandito just for you ang nanonood sa buong mundo. So blooms, can you help me? Can we greet our girls happy Babyversary on 3? Yes! 1, 2, 3! We love you so much, girls. Sa loob na isang taon, ang daming nangyari. Ang dami niyong napuntahan, ang dami niyong narating, literally and figuratively, and now you guys are here. But before that, ang daming gustong magsabi na congratulations sa inyo. Lahat ng mga blooms, including our bosses who are here with us. I just want to say thank you to Tita Cory, to Derek Lauren, who's always there, to Sir Roxy, Miss Jeannie, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin our executives. Really appreciate you guys. Okay, pero before we talk about yung nangyari sa inyo ng World Tour, may napansin kami. Kasi totoo naman, there are a billion reasons why we love Baby. A billion and one vocals, visuals, your humility. Kaya idol namin kayo at kasama din dyan yung mga kasuotan nyo. Diba? Sobrang trending. Okay, let's talk about your outfits right now. Sobrang gaganda. Can you tell us more about that? Let's start with you, Staku.
May hula ba kayo kung anong representation ng outfit ko? Ang tama magkakaroon ng kiss from Joe. So my outfit is inspired sa Las Vegas. Of course, Viva Las Vegas! Iba yung Vegas kasi full of performances, yung mga outfits ng mga girls, yung mga boys pag nagpe-perform sila. So, parang fiesta, parang full of music and fun. So, yeah, that's me. I'm Vegas, baby.
You're Vegas, baby! And you say it like this. You're Vegas, baby. Yan! Alright, thanks so much, Stace. Let's go with you, Aya.
I have a cowboy hat and I'm from Texas!
Yeehaw! Thanks so much, Aya. How about you, Gwen?
I'm London, baby.
I love it, even the accent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, eto na. Ito, excited ako dito. Sino? Bro? Bro, huwag mo titignan ng ganyan.
Okay, hindi na titignan.
I'm also red and blue, like Bebe, but with the number. So guess. Guess.
Yes, guys.
Guess.
It's L.
Okay. Maraming salamat. And now let's go to the Queen of Cleopatra. Master Joe. Guys, it's a si Master Joe. Lahat po tayo tumayo at lumuhod kay Master Joe. Master Joe.
We all agree. Sobrang mukha ng ganda ni Joanna.
And we all agree, yes. Joe.
Okay, may hula na kayo, Bloom. Saan ang country yung suit ko?
Wala.
Wala? Okay, sige. I'm home, Habibi.
Nag-workout si Kulit. Nag-workout. Mga ka dyan. Oh, wow. Okay, thank you, Joe. Mika.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell you guys now. Magbibigay ako ng clue, okay?
Okay.
May hula ako.
Nung gumanong ka, naalala ko yung favorite saying ni Joanna eh. Baka na si... Statue of Liberty, and that
And New York!
Okay, thanks so much, Mika. Okay, Colette.
Ako, ano na bang wala? Ano na bang wala? Ano ba yung ginabanggit? Hindi ko kasi ano yung... Nagalito ba sa loob niya? Ano ba? Dami mo.
Figures.
Canada.
Canada. Okay, thank you, Colette. And Lloyd. Oh, Rumamba.
Of course, our home, Pilipinas!
Pero, so your outfits are the countries you visited, diba? Especially the Philippines. But now that you've brought the Biniverse to the world, kumusta naman? Kumusta naman? Pag-usapan natin